Developing WordPress plugins shouldn't mean cluttering your OS with PHP installations or getting lost in messy core folders. Today, I'll show you how to build a professional, containerized development environment using Docker. Let's get started. First, create a clean workspace folder. Instead of opening a massive WordPress directory, we keep it focused on our code. Now, let's set up the infrastructure. Our Docker Compose configuration file does three key things. First, it keeps our MySQL database persistent. Second, it defines our main WordPress service. This is the heart of our environment where PHP actually runs. Third, it exposes this service on port 8080 so you can access your site in any browser. Fourth, and most importantly, it mounts your local folder directly into the WordPress plugin directory. This creates a real-time link. Every save you make in VS Code is instantly live. No manual copying required. We also include an Xdebug config block here. It defines the bridge to your IDE, making your container fully debuggable. Finally, our Docker file simply ensures Xdebug is installed and ready to go. Run Docker Compose up, and your environment is ready. Now, navigate to localhost 8080. You'll be greeted by the familiar WordPress setup wizard. Since our Docker configuration handled the database connection behind the scenes, you won't see the manual setup. Just set your site title and admin credentials. Click Install WordPress, and within seconds, your site is ready. Log into the administration dashboard, and you're all set. Now, let's make your editor smart. Install the PHP Tools extension. Unlike other setups that require a dozen plugins, this is the only one you need. It handles everything from code validation to deep type analysis in real time, highlighting potential issues before you even run your code. Now let's bring our plugin to life. We'll start by creating the main plugin file, in this case, myplugin.php. Inside, I'll add the standard WordPress plugin header and a simple filter targeting the content hook. This function will append a styled message to the end of every post, which is a perfect way to visually confirm our development environment is working. Once the file is saved, head back to your browser and open the WordPress administration dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins menu on the left. Notice how My Plugin is already listed here? This is exactly what we wanted. Thanks to our Docker volume mapping, any file we create in VS Code is instantly recognized by WordPress. Go ahead and click Activate. With the plugin active, let's see it in action. Open a new tab and visit localhost 8080. If you look at the Hello World post, you'll see our Hello from DEVSENSE message already rendered right there. It's that simple. We didn't have to upload anything, sync via FTP, or refresh any cache. Because of our Docker volume mapping, the plugin code is live the second you save it in VS Code. Now, let's unlock the full power of your IDE for WordPress. If you look at our plugin file, you'll see a warning underline under the Add Filter method. The editor doesn't know the WordPress context yet, but watch this. Click the light bulb icon and select Add WordPress to PHP stub setting. Or, if you prefer the command palette, just press F1, search for PHP workspace stubs, and select WordPress. Instantly, the IDE understands WordPress, without you needing to have the heavy WordPress source code files in your project. You get full IntelliSense and documentation. Just hover over Add Filter, and you'll see all the parameters along with direct links to the official WordPress developer resources. Next, let's enforce consistency. In your settings, set the code style to WordPress. Now, whenever you format your code using Alt+Shift+F on Windows, it snaps into perfect compliance with WordPress formatting conventions. And for the power users, hook completion. When you type Add Filter or Add Action, PHP Tools provides a smart list of all available hooks. With the latest update, you can even navigate directly to hook invocations or use Find All references to see exactly where a specific hook is triggered across your entire project. Now, for the real superpower, debugging. Forget about var dump. With PHP Tools, you can step through your code in real time. First, open the Run and Debug pane, click Create a Launch JSON file, and select Listen for Xdebug. Here, we just need to verify two things. Make sure the port is set to 9003 and define our path mappings. This tells VS Code that the code inside our Docker container exactly matches our local project folder. With that set, go back to your plugin file, click in the margin to add a breakpoint, select Listen for Xdebug configuration, and hit F5 to start the debugger. Now open your browser, add the Xdebug session start parameter to your URL and hit Enter. And look at that, the execution pauses instantly. You can now inspect every single variable, look at the call stack, and step through your logic line by line. It's the fastest, most reliable way to hunt down bugs without ever leaving your editor. And for an extra productivity boost, check out IntelliPHP. It's a specialized local AI model built specifically for PHP. It comes pre-installed with your PHP Tools extension. Just enable Premium or your trial to unlock it. Because it runs entirely on your machine, it's completely private, lightning fast, and works perfectly offline. And keep an eye on the starred suggestions in your IntelliSense list. See those stars? That's our secondary, highly optimized local model at work. It analyzes your project to recommend the most relevant members for your current context, making your daily typing flow incredibly smooth and intuitive. That's it. You now have a professional, containerized environment that's lightweight, fast, and debuggable. Thank you for watching and happy coding.